Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Segment Sources step by step clearly. To register with Segment Sources, start by navigating to the Segment website. Look for the Sign Up button in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. Fill in the required details, including your name, email address, and password. Read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Once you complete the form, click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a confirmation message from Segment. Open the email and click the verification link to activate your account. After activation, return to the Segment website and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Sources section in the sidebar menu. Click on that Add Source button to begin the registration process. Select the type of source you want to register from the available options. Follow the prompts to provide necessary information related to the source. Configure any desired settings or preferences for the source. After entering the details, click on the Save button to register the source. You should now see your newly registered source in the sources list. If needed, you can repeat the process to add more sources later. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Segment Sources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.